This is the Data Wizard with another YouTube tutorial on how to use Twitch, with this topic being the new charity function on Twitch's dashboard. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe. So the purpose of this is to allow affiliates and partners to officially fundraise directly through Twitch using Twitch's interface without having to jump to a separate website, without having to jump around, and having the function right there, easy to find for users. And in return for this, Twitch charges no fees to the charity itself versus, say, Tiltify, which charges a fee, for example. And there are other services that charge fees, others that don't, but Twitch does not charge fees directly to charity. All of it just goes straight to the nonprofit, which is fantastic. And also makes it really easy for people to donate as well. So to access it, you need to go to dashboard.twitch.tv, and then it'll bring up the side panel here. You will want to pick charity here on the side panel. Then once you do, you'll end up on the discovery landing page. Support the causes you care about. You'll see a search function. You'll see some recommended charities based off of what a lot of users already fundraise on, and some really basic instructions besides what I provided in this YouTube video here. And how to fundraise for charity on Twitch. It gives you the instructions right there. It makes it pretty easy, actually. Choose a charity, switch on your fundraiser, and make a difference. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and create a charity fundraiser here. So for example, I'm going to use Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center, which is a cause I support. They're located back in Seattle where I used to live. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to try searching Fred Hutchinson and see if it comes up here, and we have 121 results. So one thing I'll note is that Twitch's search is not super helpful. So sometimes you can get around it by narrowing the search by just one keyword here and type in Hutchinson. And there we go, the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center. And then we can go ahead and create a fundraiser. One thing I'll note is that if you don't find your charity on there at all, that means your charity has not fundraised through Twitch yet. It has not registered, so it will need to do that. If you need help with that, message me on Discord, the Data Wizard 0001, and I can provide additional instructions. But for now, I just want to kind of get you folks through this landing page here. In this case here, Fred Hutchinson Cancer Center, we can set a goal. We'll go and set a goal of $250, keep it relatively modest. And then you'll see what it looks like, preview the donation panel. And for the most part, it's a pretty set in stone donation panel. You can't really change them or modify these very basic numbers. Twitch notably allows you to donate as little as $1, which is fantastic for those that can't afford but want to show support. And it's important to read these instructions as well. The donate button that will replace your subscription button if you're a Twitch affiliate or partner, and I'll go over that, what that means here in a second with an example. Subs and bits will still go to your channel and not the fundraiser. So those important disclaimers are important to note before you go ahead and hit the big Start Fundraiser button. We're going to hit Start Fundraiser. I can actually show you an example here. And there you go. We have my fundraisers landing page. We can go ahead if we want to. We can hit Start Fundraiser. It's grayed out though because I actually have an active fundraiser right here. Just to give you an example of how easy it is to stop and start. You can just go yes, stop fundraiser. Or you can go to resume if you want, whichever you prefer. So we'll go ahead and go to resume. I'm going to try reloading, see if it's hit Start Fundraiser, probably because they have already a Fred Hutchinson's fundraiser center there. But here we're going to go ahead and hit resume. We'll go ahead and hit yes fundraiser, and there we go. Now it is activated. And for this next step, to show you what happens, we'll go into my personal Twitch chat for my page, the Data Wizard, here in just a second. Nice, I brought it up here. So here we have my usual landing page for my Twitch chat. Here we have a donate to charity button that has replaced the subscription button as an option. So if you click on this, it'll bring up the charity widget, which allows people to donate directly to charity through the donation button. We can choose our amount. So whatever amount we want to do. If we want to do a different amount, we can do a different amount there. And we'll say, well, let's donate $15. And you can hit donate $15, at which point it will bring up the payment and the donor information, which you'll fill out. I will avoid filling that out to avoid sharing my personal information for all of you on the Random Internet Twitch, YouTube page. And you can also do that. If you would rather have users, if any user wants to subscribe to you as well, they can go over to support the data wizard or support the Twitch streamer, and this will bring up the normal subscription page. So if you get asked in the middle of a charity stream, how do I subscribe? That is how they subscribe, is one way. Another way is to simply just use twitch.tv/ the Twitch streamer / subscribe, and that'll bring up the subscription landing page as well. So those options are available to both users should they want them. And there you have it. That's how you would fundraise on Twitch using the official Twitch landing spot. If we go back here, we can go hit stop once we're ready to stop, and then we can wrap it up from there. But yes, I hope this was helpful to individuals. If this was, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.